Hey guys, Bernard here again. Should I do hair replacement or hair extensions? My goodness, I get asked that all the time. And my answer to that question is yes, most of the time. I know some of you guys are making all the money you want or need or don't want to work any harder or you're pretty comfortable in life. And some of you guys are very busy and still want more. Well, in the early days, I had a few children kind of quickly. I have 6 children now. The only mouth I didn't feed is the blonde-headed girl, Mallory, who's my daughter-in-law now. My son was marrying Mallory. That's a wedding picture. I'm holding our youngest, Carson. He's 7 years old now. He's a couple of years younger in that picture, and all the rest are out the house now. So back then, it was like cutting hair is not going to feed this family. Chemical services might come close, but hair replacement and hair extensions, the profit margin made such a big difference. The two big excuses I get are I'm too busy to do and I can't fit any more services in, or nobody in this small town is going to do that. Well, first of all, if you believe that, you're probably right. What you believe will probably happen. But some of our biggest rock stars, first of all, I live in a small town. And by the time I got into hair replacement and hair extensions, I was pretty busy, actually doing artificial nails and haircuts and color and highlights. And starting to fit this higher end service at a much higher price started to replace my income. Again, in a small town. Some of our biggest hair extension, hair replacement buyers, most successful stylists in the country are nobody famous. They just buy a whole lot of hair, really service their community well, and live really good lifestyles. So all I'm saying is you should look into it.